You need to shake things up. As we know, it's really important to continuously be updating and growing as a business owner. Otherwise, you're kind of just starting to stagnate, and that is when businesses die. Here are 3 things that I see quite often, which is big red flags that kind of say you need to shake things up, okay? Number 1, if your views are stale. Now, this means you're kind of getting the same amount of views every quarter, and it's neither increasing nor decreasing, it's just kind of there, okay? The second sign is that your conversion rate is very gradually dropping, and I do see this a lot where stores kind of just don't really change. It won't drop dramatically, but it will gradually start to decline month on month. Number 3 is simply your revenue and your profit just isn't really growing. Now, it's perfectly normal if you have a business that maybe kind of did a little bit more than the last year, but is kind of not growing in big jumps. But it is not normal if that is continuously happening 2, 3, 4, 5 years on the trot. That is a massive sign that people need to see something new from you. They need to see a different side of you. You need to shake things up.